So students, these next two exercises won't be in your homework. It's just something that I want you to understand so that you can kind of transfer your design ideas to make them more advanced when you're thinking about it. In draping class, for example, you may have developed a sloper that has 2 darts. So we call that a balanced sloper because it has a dart at the above the apex and below the apex. Same thing on your back panel. You may have a shoulder dart and a waist dart. So I just want to explain in this particular example, this is demo 806. It's still the classic princess style line where it comes from the shoulder, but there are some slight differences if you have 2 darts to deal with. So in the 2 dart classic princess, that's the shoulder. We have the pleasure of already having that dart here at the shoulder and at the waist. So the difference will be that apex point. We now need to transfer to both and create ease on both. So from your true apex, just like the previous example, we're going to use our graph ruler and we're going to transfer 2 inches of ease above the apex and 2 inches of ease below the apex on each of those dart legs. Also, make sure that you're going to transfer your grain line from the center front to the side panel. On your back panel, this is where you'd use your hip curve ruler or the bottom part of your French curve ruler. And you're going to need to blend. So using that 3 inches of stability off the bottom hem, and noting you need to have that shoulder dart also stabilized, you're going to be blending, and so there might be some difference of 1/8 of an inch to 1/16 of an inch away from the original apex of that dart, but you're going to use that dart as a notch now to make sure you're going to be blending these panel pieces together. And once you separate them, you'll need to, just like in our original example, blend those pieces so that they have a smooth curve line. So make sure this is where your French curve ruler comes into handy, your hip curve ruler, to make sure you're blending those. And that's how you would deal with the 2 darts in your spot sloper. The benefits might be better fit. If you want something more tailored around the garment, maybe it's a lighter weight fabric, so you want to have more manipulation around the material. And in that case, building them out using a 2 dart sloper will give you those benefits.